Hello everybody, in this video we'll create this geometry using Ansys workbench model design modeler. This is the problem specification. So first we'll open fluent because we will use a CFD problem. We double click on it, then it will open here. You can change the name it anything you want. ELBOW. So first we'll go to the geometry. Double click on the geometry and the design modeler will open now. This is the design modeler. First we'll change the units. We click on the units, then we'll choose inch. The first thing we do, we'll create the profile. First, create a new plane by selecting YZ plane. Select YZ plane, then create a new plane. This is plane 4 and it's based on the YZ plane. Then we will go to transform 1 and change this to offset global X. Offset global X, and the value we'll put -8. So we'll generate, then the check mark means that the plane is created. We created the plane 4. Now we'll select plane 4, then new sketch, and there's the sketch 1 based on the plane 4. Now we will go to sketching, then settings, then grid, and enable show in 2D and snap, and set the major grid spacing to 1. It's already 1, and minus steps per major to 2. So on the sketching we'll go to draw, then search arc by center. Here it is. Click on arc by center. Now we will draw an arc with a radius of 2 inches centered on x equal to -6 and y equal to 0. X is the red one, so this is x, and y is the green one. So we said that we'll do it in y equal to 0 and x equal to -6. So this is the center. We click one time on it, then it shows like that, and the radius is 2 inches. So we'll go the first point from -8 to -4, and here it shows the coordinates to be sure that we are in the correct point. Now we will go to draw and go to line. Click on the line and connect the two end points of the arc. -4, 0, 2, -8, 0. It's done. So now we created the first thing. Now we'll create the path. So we'll go back to the modeling. then XY plane, and we will click on new sketch. Here is the sketch tool. Then generate to create the sketch. And the sketch tool is based on XY plane. Now on the we'll go to the sketching, settings, grid, enable show in 2D, enable snap, major spacing 1, it's already 1, and minor steps per major to 2. Now we'll go to the draw and we'll choose line to draw straight lines. The first line horizontal from x equal to -8 to x equals 0 and y equal -6 to and y for y equal to -6. This is y equal to -6 is here, and from 0 x from 0 to -8. So click one time here and take it to -8. Click again. So this is the first line, and now we'll create another line, vertical line for x equal to 6, y from 0 to 8 is equal to 6 is here. You can count squares 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or you can check here the coordinates. So from 0 to 8, this is 8, and click again. So now we will go to arc by center, go to the center and click one time, and then go to the end point of the horizontal line, click one time, then connect it with the end points for the vertical line, click again. So we created this. Now we will create the pipe. So we go back to the modeling, we'll click on sweep here, and for the profile we will use the sketch one, apply, select sketch one and then click apply, and for the path, click on the path, select the sketch tool and then click apply and generate. This is our pipe. So now we'll create the side pipe. We'll create a new plane based on ZX plane, select ZX and create a new plane. So we'll set the transform 1 to offset global X, and the value to 5.5 inch, and for the transform 2 we'll set it to offset global Y and the value to -9 inch, and then click generate.